Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about inverse functions. Before we start, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our fun educational videos. Let's look at example 1. We have f of x is equal to 5x plus 3, a simple linear function. The first step is to replace f of x with y. You get y is equal to 5x plus 3. Next, switch x and y. So we get x is equal to 5y plus 3. Now the last step is to isolate for y by moving the 3 to the other side, so it becomes x minus 3, and then dividing both sides by 5. So the inverse of 5x plus 3 is y equals x minus 3 divided by 5. Let's do another example. We have f of x is equal to 7 times x plus 1 squared minus 6. Step 1 is replacing f of x with y. Step 2 is switching x and y. And lastly, step 3 is to isolate for y. We do that by adding 6 to both sides, so we get x plus 6 is equal to 7 times y plus 1 squared. Next, we divide both sides by 7 to get x plus 6 divided by 7 is equal to y plus 1 squared. To get rid of the power of 2, we square root both sides. So we get the square root of x plus 6 divided by 7 is equal to y plus 1. Lastly, we subtract 1 from both sides and get that the inverse is the square root of x plus 6 divided by 7 plus 1. Here is another example. We have f of x is equal to the square root of x minus 3 minus 4. As usual, the first step is replacing f of x with y, and the second step is switching x and y, then we isolate for y. To isolate for y, we first add 4 to both sides. So we get x plus 4 is equal to the square root of y minus 3. To get rid of the square root, we square both sides. So we get x plus 4 squared is equal to y minus 3. Lastly, we add 3 to both sides, and we get that the inverse is x plus 4 squared plus 3. That's it for inverse functions. We hope you all enjoyed this video and learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye.